Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered as a fruit. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and are particularly high in vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They are cultivated most in countries like the United States, Turkey, and Iran, where they grow well in temperate climates. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as cherries, cherries, cherries. Cherries are packed with nutrients that support heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve sleep quality due to their natural melatonin content. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about cherries, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.